Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitles to your videos using the Capcut video editor. So let's jump right into it. First we have to open the Capcut video editor application and then we tap on new project. From here we'll choose the video we want to add subtitles to, so let's tap it and tap on add. From here you will see a lot of tools. The ones we need today is the text tools, so we tap on it. Other tools will show up, and the one we'll need for this video is auto captions tool. So we tap on it, and from here you can change the language depending on the language used in your video. Since mine is in English, I'm just gonna tap on start, and just like that the subtitles are being added to the video. Now the duration depends on how long is your video, so we just have to be patient for a second. And here we go. The video subtitles have been added successfully in this easy method that I have shown you today. I hope you have liked it. I hope it was helpful. And if it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel for future solutions to all of your tech problems. Thanks.